On the left-hand side, the discovery pane, which I just mentioned, is also divided into 3 sections. This is the main section here that lists all units. Below that is the unassigned units section. This shows units that have been discovered but have not yet been assigned to an access point. And below that is a new feature, which is unit discovery. This allows you to perform targeted discovery on the network. So for example, if you've got some units that are behind a router or two, you can simply type in the IP address range where those are located, hit start, and it will discover those. So now going back up to the main section here, what you're seeing is a list of all of the radios that have been discovered and assigned access points on this network. It displays the units, their name, their IP address, their role, and their connection status. The blue circle here with the eye in it tells you that that unit's been discovered as being actively monitored. This blue circle with the arrows that you see popping up tells you that that particular moment that unit is being read. The green circle tells you that the unit is linked. Gray circle means that the unit is unlinked. You'll notice down here at the bottom, we've also got a unit that is a non-Intuicom unit. BroadbandPro Enterprise will also discover and display these. However, you won't be able to interact with them to do things such as configuration, but at least it will give you an overview of how your larger network sits and is organized. So you can easily sort this list by name by just clicking up here in the bar. You can also filter by radio name down here if you wanted to do that. You'll see that it just displays what you've typed in. If you've got a particular IP address that you're looking for of a unit, you can type that in as well. And you can actually sort by or filter out all of these stations to just look at your access point. This comes in handy if, for instance, you are adding in some new radios to the network and you want to assign them to the access points by dragging and dropping them, which I'll get into in a moment. This lets you quickly display all of the access points and get to those. Or conversely, if you just wanted to look at only the stations on the network, you can do that as well. Right now we'll go back to a full view. So right-clicking on any unit will also bring up a list of different menu options for you. So for example, here you've got fix to location and reset location, which has to do when you actually drag the unit to a map, which I'll get into in a minute. You can center the map on any broadband unit that you have selected in this left-hand column. You can configure the unit like any window in BroadbandPro 2.0 or Enterprise. There are multiple ways to get to the configuration settings. You can just double-click on the unit, or you can select this option here. You can restore a unit to defaults. You can generate a configuration report for that individual unit. You can move that unit to the top of this list, or because BroadbandPro Enterprise works on a database, if you wanted to remove a particular unit from the database, you can just select Remove System here.